The relationship between the ability of understanding mathematical concept with language ability during conceptual learning by Salmani S. Ahmad Fauzan, Imade Arnawa, Darmansyah, and Wahyu Widalda. Abstract. Interesting, the ability of the left brain can have a positive effect on the understanding of mathematical concept. The purpose was to test whether three was a positive direct effect on student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman. Tabui culture on their ability to understand mathematical concept. It was survey research. The sample was selected simple random as many as 100 people from 389 students of Senior High School number 3, Padang, Indonesia. The sample has attended lecture taught contextual learning based on Padang Tabui culture for 8 weeks. The research instrument was a test of language skill and understanding of mathematical concepts. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structural equation model. This is an analysis using a literal application program. The conclusion of this study is a student language skill towards contextual learning based on Padang Tabui culture have a positive direct effect on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. The concept of mathematics we are default learning object for students. Even though the concept is a mathematical object that cannot be avoided by student. One of reason this is an abstract mathematical object. The concept of mathematics is abstract. This is a very possible for him to have misconceptions. Student learning mathematical concept needs relational understanding so that I can lead the misunderstanding and difficulty learning. To overcome student mistakes and misconceptions in learning mathematical is third learning that is close to the student mean. Student can do the mathematical process horizontal. Such learning will improve student thought process such that it become a meaningful learning. Learning that is close to the daily life of student is one of the starting point of learning mathematics. Something that's become a habit of student is local culture. One of them is local music. This can interest mathematical abilities such as the ability to represent mathematics, concept understanding ability, problem solving skill. This learning can also minimize student mistake in understanding mathematics. Dol music is one of Pariaman culture. Music contributes to children's cognitive development. Music helps activity the child's motor nerve skill, like the music that accompanies regional dance. Kijai dance becomes the starting point for students in understanding geometry. Through this music, students have geometric skill. Students identify and classify the geometric structures. They are able to use model and symbol to represent the concept of geometric shapes. Mathematics and music are interconnected. Mathematical concepts and related basic music include sets, equivalent relations, function and graphic, integers, rational number, real number, notes, chord notes, musical intervals, scales, and cases. This will interest on musical intelligence. It was includes sensitivity for rhythm, melody, and notal color of music being enjoyed. Pariaman children are very familiar with Tabui culture. This is held every year in the month of Muharram. The Tabui ceremony has several ritual parts always involves Pariaman regional music. This is often referred to as dol music. In the Tabuik traditional, the dol is a traditional drum which originated from Padang Province, Indonesia. The dol is played by trained men. The Tabuik ceremony commemorates the deaths of Hasan and Hussein, the grandchildren of Prophet Muhammad. Ini adalah masalah kontekstual yang dapat dijadikan titik pangkal pembelajaran matematika. Pendekatan kontekstual merupakan pendekatan yang melibatkan siswa aktif dari pembelajaran itu adalah untuk menemukan atau menemukan kembali konsep berdasarkan pengetahuan sebelumnya dan pengalaman siswa. This is a contextual problem that can be used as a starting point for learning mathematics. The contextual approach that involves students we are active in learning process. This is to discover or rediscover concept based on student previous knowledge and experience. Language ability to music can affect the understanding of mathematical concept. Understanding this concept is mathematical problem by emphasizing mathematical object. Mathematical object include facts, concept, principle, and operation. Concept understanding in this paper is more focused on the ability to understanding concept. The ability to understanding concept is a cognitive ability that includes restarting the definition of a concept, classifying object into a concept, providing example and not example for a concept, representing a concept in several from the following necessary and sufficient conditions, using certain operation and applying the concept in problem solving. Understanding of mathematical concept can be affected better if students learn in relation manner. This is one of the elements in understanding mathematical concept. To improve the understanding of mathematical concept, learning is needs a superstanding concept, namely learning to develop the ability to gather information, analyze information, and make generalization by applying the process of connection, representation, communication, reasoning, and proof and problem solving. The ability to understanding mathematically can be affected completely if students learn thoughts the and knowledge approach. Therefore, the language skill that all precedent taught the art of dol music as a local culture allow for an interest in mathematical understanding. It saw the extent of conceptual diagram as a relationship between language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. Language skill are the sung in music give a person a sense of relation. This affect the ability to think academy. Just language skill matched by music have an influence of mathematical thinking skill. First, the formulation of problem of this research invites events to the language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabuik culture have a positive direct effect on the understanding of mathematical concept. So, methods. This research is a study with a software approach. This research is designed to test the relationship between language skill thoughts contextual learning based on Padang, Pariaman, Tabuik culture, and the understanding of math concept. The population is students of Senior High School Nomor 3 Padang, Indonesia. The number of addressable population is 389 students. The sample of this research was 100 people. The selection was made using simple random sampling technique. There are two latent variables, namely language skill and understanding of mathematical concept. The understanding of concept in study is especially about understanding of mathematical concept. Research we carried out when the annual Padang Tabuik cultural activity was underway. Therefore, the entry population rates in this study has followed this learning model. The result in instrument is a willing proficiency, questionnaire, and a test of understanding of mathematical concept. Data analysis using structural and question modeling. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structural equation model. This is an analysis using a real application program. 3. Result and discussion. The data from this depth in understanding of Nat's concept, pemahaman, and language skill is berbahasa is a talent variable. Its variable indicator is listening X1, speaking X2, reading X3, and writing X4 for latent language ability variable. The indicator variable for understanding mathematical concept is X1, rested the enunciation of a concept. X2 classifies object according the content concept. X3 provides example and not example of concept. X4 present concept in various form of receptions. X5 arrange necessary and sufficiently condition of a concept. X6 selects an operator, and X7 applies the concept to problem solving by using the result 8.8 application program. The data were analyzed and present in table 1. Table 1 goodness of gift atau GOV. Statistic minimum mean function chi-squared. Calculation results 1.25. P equality 0.03. Criteria P less than 0.05. Description law RMSA 0.001 greater than 0.08 good. RMR 0.023 greater than 0.10 good. Standard is MRA 0.027 greater than 0.10 good. GFE 0.97 less than 0.90 good. AGFI 0.86 0.80 greater than AGFE less than 0.9. NFE 0.92 less than 0.90 and NFE 0.91 less than 0.90. CFE 0.94 less than 0.90. EFE 0.97 less than 0.90. RFE 0.93 less than 0.90 and PNFE 0.43 less than 0.00. Based on table 1, this is a fund that's a statistical that meet the fit good criteria. This is a theoretical model that fits empirical data. The analysis results show that there in 11 government measures that show good compatibility and only one is not good. The consequence of this analysis is that the overall model meets the good category. Furthermore, a diagram of the basic model standard solution can be seen in figure 1. X1, X2, X3, X4 berbahas pemahaman X5, X6, X7, X9, X10, X11. Figure 1 basic model standard solution. X1, X2, X3, X4 berbahas pemahaman X5, X6, X7, X8, X9, X10, X11 basic model to T values. The data analyst also present the basic model T-values patch diagram. For more detail, please look at figure 2. Figure 2 and figure 3 are patch diagram that repeats the validity and reliability of two language variables, namely the ability to speak language and understanding mathematical concept. The result of data analysis are present in table 2 and 3. Table 2 validity and reliability of the ability to speak indicator. Indicator X1, X2, X3, X5. SLF less than 0.50, 0.65, 0.74, 0.50, 0.74. Standard errors 0.57, 0.45, 0.75, 0.45. T value 6.51, 7.52, 4.77, 7.57. Declaration good. Reliability 0.76, VA 0.4. Based on Table 2, the language ability variable which consists of 4 indicator variables has shown good validity. The table states the loading factor value is more than 0.50 and the value is more than 1.96. Also, the constructability is CR equality 0.76 over 0.70. The final result of the reliability test of the length variable of language ability is consistent. Table T. Validity and reliability in indicator of ability the understanding mathematical concept. Indicator X5, X6, X7, X8, X9, X10, X11. SLF less than 0.50. X point X1, 0.X1, 0.56, 0.51, 0.7, 0.x, 0.56. Standard errors 0.34, 0.34, 0.69, 0.74, 0.51, 0.36, 0.69. G value X.X7, 5.62, 5.07, 7.86, X80.63, 5.87. Declaration good. Reliability CR less than 0.70, 1.04. VA less than 0.50, 0.96. The explain the indicator variable for mathematical thinking skill, understanding mathematical concept. See Table 3. Table 3 shows that the validity of 7 observed variable X5, X6, X7, X8, X9, X10, X11. On the understanding of mathematical concept, the 7 variable observed the valid. The 7 manif variable are arrangement a concept X5. Classify object according the content proportion according the concept 66. So example and not example X7. The same set a concept in average from X8. Develop a condition which as such condition of concept X9 using initializing and select division production and X10 and apply the concept algorithm for problem solving X11. That is a concordance with the province of the loading factor values of the more than 0.50 and T value of not less than 1.96. For reliability, the C value is 1.04 over 0.70, which now the reliability test of gets mathematical ability variable products good scores. The construction is understanding mathematical concept as good consistent based on validity and reliability tests and figure 2. Basic model t-values hypothesis can be tested about the direct effect of student language skill toward contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture on the understanding of mathematical concept. The test of that C equality 4.86 with p-value equality 0.00. This means that there is a positive direct influence of student language skill towards contextual learning based on the Tawi Padang culture on their ability to understanding mathematical concept. The results of this study are in line with other studies. Musical ability has a positive direct effect on the native abbreviation ability of low-level elementary students. As no mathematical-based mathematics learning and connects mathematics approach have a positive impact of student cognitive process. Students have ability to understand multiplication and division operation, also able to communicate verbal in writing and mathematical receptions. This is based on real media based on local culture. Thus, it is true that language skill taught contextual learning based on local culture have an effect on understanding of math concept. For conclusion, we conclude that there is a positive direct effect of student language skill toward contextual culture-based learning on their ability to understanding mathematical concept. This is supported by the validity and reliability of the indicators of the two variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. Therefore, to improve mathematical thinking skill, education must apply contextual learning based on local culture.